Google Veo 3.1 is here, and it represents a fundamental shift in how we create with AI video. This isn't just about better quality, it's about control. Today, we're going to break down the four core features that put the power of iteration and precision directly in your hands. First up is in-video editing. Imagine this. You generate a stunning shot, a perfect sunrise over a mountain with cinematic lighting and flawless composition, but it's missing one thing. In the past, adding a single element meant regenerating the entire video and losing that perfect take forever. You can now take that exact video and apply a new prompt on top of it. It's a form of non-destructive editing. The original scene, with its unique lighting and motion, is preserved as the foundation. Veo then seamlessly integrates your new element, whether it's adding a soaring eagle to the sky or placing a hiker on the ridge. It's about refining, not re-rolling. Next, ingredients. This is the solution to the long-standing problem of consistency. Think of it like a visual mood board for your video. You can provide up to 3 reference images that act as a foundational truth for the AI. So if you're creating a short film, you can upload your character's design sheet. Now, every time you generate a new scene, Veo uses that image to ensure the character's face, clothing, and style remain identical. This isn't just for characters. You can use it to lock in a specific product's design, a unique architectural style, or a consistent color grade from a reference photo. This is the bridge from generating random clips to producing a cohesive project. The third major update brings true directorial control, start and end frame control. This is for creators who know exactly what they want. Imagine wanting a slow, dramatic reveal that starts on a close-up of a flower petal and pulls back to reveal an entire enchanted forest. With this feature, you define the precise composition of your first frame and the exact composition of your last. Veo doesn't just guess, it calculates the smoothest, most logical camera path between those two anchor points. It turns the AI from a simple operator into your personal cinematographer, allowing for planned, intentional camera work that serves a narrative purpose. And finally, Veo 3.1 enhances consistent video extension. An 8-second clip is rarely long enough to tell a story. When you extend these clips, the challenge is maintaining immersion. This update dramatically improves that continuity. The background ambience, the lighting, even the subtle cadence, it all carries through more reliably into the extended portion. This is what allows us to move from short, disconnected curiosities to genuine short-form storytelling, like filming a continuous 15-second dialogue scene where nothing jarringly changes. Now, to help you leverage all this new power, I've developed my own tool called the Veo Prompt Gem. It's designed to help you write the most effective prompts to get the absolute best results from these new features. The link is right down in the description. I'm incredibly excited to see what you all build with this. Which feature will be most useful for your workflow? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, a like and subscribe would be amazing.